Welcome back. It's now time for the Financial Week. In the wake of concerns about airlift coming into the country, Senior Vice President of Partnership and Retailing at American Airlines, Scott Lawrence, says all is not lost. Speaking at the recently concluded Sandals Jamaica Love Tour 2024, he hinted at further partnerships with Jamaica as things are looking up for the airline in other markets.
And for our Minister of Tourism, I will tell you more seats are coming. I understand more rooms are coming. And look, that's good news for all of us. And specifically for American, as we recovered from the pandemic, we grew at our Sunbelt Southern Tier hubs. That means for us, Miami is bigger than it's ever been. That means more flights, more connections, more destinations. The same is true in Charlotte. The same is true in Dallas. We've brought Philadelphia back as a hub. Frankly, it's all working really well. And we look forward to continuing our commitment to the region.
The Jamaica Exporters Association Expo 2025 may be 6 months away, but buyers from around the world are already showing an interest. That's according to Jampo President Shirlette Cox. She attributes this to the success of Jampro's buyer program, which aims to connect Jamaican exporters with local and international buyers across a range of industries. Speaking at the soft launch of Expo 2025, Ms. Cox revealed that buyers from 30 countries attended last year's event. 383 were returning, while another 340 were new buyers.
Buyer recruitment program officially on paper is 700. We have a very quiet, bigger target internally that we will never announce out loud. But we're focused on key categories such as retail chains, hoteliers, supermarkets, wholesalers, online retailers, and distributors, targeting North America, Europe, Latin America, Africa, and the Caribbean. Already today, on the date of our soft launch, we have 152 buyers registered. And this is just the beginning of our activities.
Expo 2025 will be held from April 3 to 6. The event is seen as a major platform for small, medium and large businesses to showcase their offerings. Executive Director of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Kamisha Turner-Blake, says already 50% of the booths have been sold.
Just in less than 20 minutes, I personally sold 30 booths. I won't tell them how many of them Shirlette took. But we are gearing up to have an Expo Jamaica like no other Expo.
Trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $158.93. The Canadian is going for $114.93. $206.85 is the average cost of the pound. $175.88 is the average value of the euro. And the JC index declined by 1,151 points, while the junior market index fell by 15 points. The 47 winners included medical disposables and supplies, JPS 7%, Key Insurance, TransJam High 8%, and G West Corporation. The 53 losers included Berger, MP Caribbean Clean Energy, General Accident Insurance, Knutsford Express, and Epley, 15 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week.